Hello, good morning, everyone. I'm in my garden again today. As usual, in the morning, I spend my time here in my garden and I found this beautiful flower blossoming. Actually, there are many flowers in my garden like this, but I had just got an idea to take photo of this flower and I think it would be more beautiful if I spray with water so I can photograph the water droplet on it. Photographing water droplet on leaf or on flower with sunlight like this in the morning, I think it's just fantastic. I love taking macro photo of water droplet when the sunlight hit it. I think enough the spray. So now let's take photo. I'm photographing and filming with my Android phone. This is Infinix Hot 30i. Not really good actually the camera, but I think it's enough. And to take macro photo, I add macro lens. I bought it online to a seller that he made it by himself. So this is macro lens actually not from a factory, but this is handmade by the seller, and not bad I think. As usual, I take some photos from different angles, and later I select which one is the best. So my day, I spend more time watching a photographer online on YouTube to get inspired, garden photography, and also how to photograph flower in macro. So I'm practicing now to improve my skill. Okay, look the color here. So the water droplet just make it more dramatic with the red color combined with the sunlight. Okay, I think enough for today. That's it from me. See you on the next video.